This is everything you need to know on how to build a bench seat. Hi, I'm Chrissy. Bench seats are a great way to save space and add additional storage, so let's get into it. First, decide where you want the seat to be. Measure and mark your kickboards. In this case, it's going to be 100mm back from the seat. From here, build 2 boxes and slide them into place. Once this is done, find the studs and secure them to the wall. Once your kickboards are secured, start building your bench seat. Measure the timber for the base, allow 60mm overhang for the front and the side. Now mark your measurements on the MDF and cut to size. From here, assemble and glue your pieces together. For your lid on top, measure your length and your width and allow 40mm overhang. With your measurements, cut the MDF to size. Using your drill, go ahead and attach your hinges to your lids. When drilling the screws for the first time, don't screw them too tight. Make sure it closes properly, then secure it tightly. You may wish to paint the whole bench seat. In this instance, I'm going to paint the lid and the inside, as I'm going to clad the outside. After all lids are attached, put them on the kickboards, make sure they're level and secure them in place. For the cladding, measure your length and width and cut them to size. Lastly, glue and nail your boards together, but it's a good idea to do a dry run first. And there you have it, an inbuilt bench seat. If you like this video, remember to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.